Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset a page on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resetting a page on Wix is a straightforward process that can be done in multiple ways. Number one option is if you want to restore to the previous version. For example, in my case, I have done so many things in this specific page because I am creating so many videos and tutorials for you guys. For me to be able to restore to the previous version, kind of like a reset, all I have to do is click on the site and go to dashboard, and there's gonna be an option here on the site settings. Click on the site and mobile app, go to the website and SEO and click on the website. There should be an option here that says site history. If not, go to the settings here, click on site settings, and there's gonna be you see that, the site history. Now you can view and restore previous versions of your site. All right, if you click on the restore versions, you would be forwarded here. You see, this is going to be all the revisions I've made in the past. Publish, save, and start. There's a lot of them. Now, all I have to do is once you find the desired version, click on the restore. For example, this one. There's going to be an arrow, and all they have to do is click on restore. This will revert the page or the entire site to that version if you want it. All right, that's one way. It's kind of like resetting a page on Wix. All right, but I'm not going to do that, but instead I'm going back to the dashboard. I'm going back again to the website. You can also manually reset the elements. All right, so once you open your Wix account again, access the website editor, and from the left hand menu, there's going to be all the elements. You see? You can, of course, for example, if you wanted to reset, you might want to delete this image, change the background entirely, maybe say use something, use a video, or maybe a video here. Video from Wix. You can use maybe this one, change the background. This is kind of like resetting. You can also change this, maybe delete some elements right here that is kind of disturbing, delete this icon, and of course you can put in another section below, and you have all this option for you to reset. You can add image elements, buttons right here. There's a lot of options for you to choose from. For example, going to put in the join us button here, kind of like this one. You can drag and drop elements for as long as you want according to your design preference. You can put in video and music. For example, it's going to be YouTube right here. All right, so once you are satisfied with the changes, all you have to do is click save and then publish. All right, to update your live site. So that's kind of resetting the page. All right, now another option that you can do is go again to the site dashboard. What we could do is maybe duplicate the page and start fresh. Okay, so if you want that, if you wanted to keep the original page but start over with a new one, all I'm gonna do is go to the site actions. There's gonna be an option that says duplicate site. Of course, this creates a copy of the page. Maybe going to rename this as this one. All right, so I'm going to click on the duplicate site again and click on the duplicate option. This creates a copy of the page. Right, just wait for it. Once you've created the duplicate, go to the homepage, go to the sites, to the websites. All right, so you see, these are going to be your site. And all you have to do is just tweak the settings that you wanted. Click the design site. You would be forwarded here to this website builder editor. And of course, hover to the page you want to reset. And you have all these for your disposal, the elements on the left side. All right, you can add elements if you wanted. Now, or go to the pages and menu. You might want to add new page, duplicate the new page, and recreate something from your preferences. All right, if you do that, it's kind of like resetting the page as well. Now, another option that you can explore is just click this AI tools at the bottom left corner, and you can create text for a page. Or maybe text creator, you can create a content and place it anywhere you need. If you do that, what will happen is just put in something like this one, create text, and that's that. All right, another option that you can do is maybe delete everything and create a new page by going to the Wix Studio, and these are going to be all the responsive templates. You can start from the blank canvas. You also have the pre-built canvas that you wanted, so there's a lot that you can choose from. For example, this one. I'm going to edit, so you can start from you can try Wix Studio if you wanted. So you have two options: create a site or set up your workspace. I'm going to start something from scratch. And again, from here, all I have to do is go to the option right here, click on edit, and always ensure to back up any important content or design elements before making significant changes or deletions. You can always check Wix support for additional options based on your specific needs. All right. Now, resetting a page in Wix can provide an opportunity for growth, improvement, and alignment with your current business objectives and branding strategy. A reset may involve reorganizing your content for better SEO practices, which can help improve your search engine rankings and visibility. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.